Here we are going to take that shapes, explore the features here we have. I will take it and make some more shapes and designs. Find these features. So let's take the structure here. Keep on editing. Generate some designs here. Add a paint over it. Use an eraser tool. So there we are. Find another one. So let's make the shapes here. Create a structure. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe.